One of the features of Trimity is our screw fastening assistant for manual work, powered by AI. In this use case, Trimity guides the worker through the assembly of a battery pack. Via a screen, Trimity shows the worker which cell must be screwed and reports whether the screw sequence is correct or incorrect. Trimity can also interact with the battery control module to check which cells are defective and thus prevent the worker from screwing in the faulty cell. As in this case, cell 2 is defective, and thus the worker isn't allowed to fasten the screws. In addition, Trimity displays all screw fastening information on the screen and shows the worker which screw has already been fastened and which still needs to be fastened. If the sub-step is done correctly, the worker gets a notification from the system and can then move on to the next task. With this, Trimity assures a first-time right production, stable process flows, an easy possibility to rework, and thus helps integrate a manual process to the Industry 4.0 standards.